Shalom, giving all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashim, Yahushai, the Wadi Yahweh, Bahashim, Yahushai, for the days, minutes, hours leading to the return of the one of the world called Jesus Christ. Without further ado, let's leap into some prophecy. We do know that according to the scriptures, the Heavenly Father is going to show signs in the heavens, eclipses, things like that are going to show His coming. So you got these northern lights; they're going to be visible, and it's just going to be the beginning of natural disasters and a whole bunch of other stuff. Remember, them eclipses and things like that, once those happen, pink moons, all that, then it's a slew of prophecies that happen. So expect things to start turning up, after this. Northern lights will be visible across most of U.S. thanks to a severe geomagnetic storm. The northern lights are expected to put on a breathtaking show over parts of the U.S. Sunday night due to a powerful geomagnetic storm hitting Earth. The storm reached severe strength early Sunday morning, strong enough to push the glowing aurora borealis further south than usual, possibly lighting up skies from Michigan and Washington State down to Northern California and even Alabama. There is going to be a great night to view. This is going to be a great night to view the lights where skies are clear. All right. This is the sign. Let me get this in the book of Luke before anything else. And then it's that's them storms are coming. And what's that? The ultimate storms is these prophecies. Prophecies pertaining to Matthew the 24th chapter, the 7th verse. We're going to start right here. And Luke 21 verse 25. And there shall be signs in the sun and in the moon and in the stars, and upon earth distress of nations with perplexity, and the sea and the waves roaring. Right. So that's a sign that the Heavenly Father is getting ready to up the speed and the pace of prophecy. Hurricane season has started. Here's what to know. June 1st marks the start of hurricane season in the Atlantic Ocean. Forecasters are warning this year could once again bring an above average number of storms. Right. So once again, bring an above average number, meaning the number that was before is going to be above average. Again, the Heavenly Father is up in the ante. Everything is going to be bigger and record-breaking nowadays. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration is predicting 13 to 19 named storms between June 1st and November 30th, compared with an average of 14 storms per year from 1991 to 2020. Hey, so we're in hurricane season. These natural disasters are starting. Everybody get this rolling. Matthew 24 verse 7, for nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilences and earthquake in diverse places. Right. So that goes into these different natural disasters. Let me see if I can get this in Isaiah the 29th chapter. Isaiah 29 verse 6, thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise, with storm and tempest and the flame of devouring fire. Right. So fire, storm, tempest, all that is getting ready to be unleashed on the earth by the Heavenly Father and His Son. Attack at Boulder's Pearl Street Mall in Colorado burns 5 people, police say. So you had an attack. A suspect in custody after an attack Sunday on Pearl Street Mall in Boulder, Colorado. At least 5 people were injured, and witnesses said that suspect threw Molotov cocktails that burned some or all of the victims, who were part of a march for Israeli hostages. Sheesh. Yeah. This is the type of timing that the Heavenly Father's on. This is the type of things that are getting ready to happen. The Lord is up in the ante. So yeah, Boulder, Colorado, it got hit up. So we're going to continue to be seeing these different things increase in these last days. You want to continue to pray for the protection of the Heavenly Father, because these could come at any time, at any moment. And people were over there and they got Molotov cocktails thrown at them. And you got people injured, you got people's bodies dropping, and probably more bodies going to drop. So yeah. With that, I want to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh Shemel Shah Shalom.